Alright, now we are going to look at how to access a PlayPosit playlist from Google Classroom. So here we have a Google document that has the playlist links embedded. On this column, the students must watch. On this column, the students can watch it if they want more information. So only the must watch has a PlayPosit video attached to it. So students click on that, and it will bring them to the PlayPosit website. They click on Google Login. It asks them to confirm all their information. You just click on Allow. And they need to click on the class. In this particular example, it's the fake computer graphics class. And for whatever reason, it doesn't take them directly to the video. So what I've been telling the students is to just click on the link one more time. And this time they'll go to the video so that they can begin to watch this particular what class they're in. Submit it, they begin to watch the video, and at a certain time students can rewind for 10 seconds and they can go backwards and forwards, but they can't go further than all they have already watched. And at a certain point the video will pop up a question where the student has to click on the answer and then click Submit. Once they select the answer, they click Continue, and the video will play, and they will continue doing this until the end of the video.